So in the morning, do you know what I like? Greek style plain yogurt. It tastes great. I mix it with some milk and cereals, muesli, granolas, cornflakes. Usually I mix all of them all together. Problem is that this Greek yogurt can be a little bit expensive. Luckily, there is a solution, a yogurt machine. How to make yogurt? It's super simple and I'll show you today. So you just need some plain milk, yogurt, and mix it with milk. The bacteria in the yogurt will start the reaction and will convert the milk into fresh yogurt. Let's go. First, we need to heat up this milk. Okay. So it will heat up slowly because otherwise the milk will burn. It's heating, it starts to smell nice, like hot milk. And meanwhile, have a look. Yes, so I found in the fridge, oh wow, look at this, ground cinnamon and pure vanilla extract. It's starting to get hot, and you can see it because it makes tiny bubbles. It's almost ready. So for me, I think that's enough. I stop the fire. I'll just cover it with a cloth and I will leave it for maybe 20 minutes. Wonderful vanilla extract. Yes, okay, great. So what you see, the black, the dark particles, is just cinnamon. Well, it's already, it's done. So I will cover my container. And now I just need to place it in the yogurt machine. Here it is. Just plug it. What does it do is very simple. It will keep it at the same temperature, which is around 40 degrees. I plug it and then function. How does it work? Function time 8 hours. So yes, it will keep it during 8 hours at a warm temperature. And the fermentation will be done. I will have yogurt tonight. There is another cover to make sure again nothing will get inside. Okay, perfect. I'll see you later tonight to show you my homemade yogurt.